Alright guys, welcome to your ninth Qt tutorial, and now that we understand how to set up a very basic Qt program and we kind of know about all the basic widgets and signals and slots, I think it's time to kind of step away from the basic examples and learn how to create a useful GUI application using Qt. So what I'm going to be doing in these next couple tutorials, is probably going to be like 5 tutorials, is I'm going to set up a full program, something that you might actually use, which is a text. It's basically going to be like you're going to be able to insert a couple paragraphs of text and you're going to be able to find like a certain word. So if there is a biography of myself in the New Boston, you might type in find Bucky and it's going to find all the word Bucky in there. Again, it's not an application that you're going to, have fun for with days and days of fun, but it helps us demonstrate the basic ideas of how to set up a full useful GUI application. So pretty cool. Let's go ahead. I'll shut up now. I'll get started. So we'll create a new project and we'll create a widget project just like before. Qt GUI application. Nothing here that's new. Choose this and I'm just going to name it find crap because that's basically what the application is. We're going to type in a word, aka crap, and it's going to find it in the bigger body of text. So hit next. What target? Just the desktop will be fine for this demonstration. Next. Now the first thing I want to do is change the base class from main window to Q widget, and also the class name to find crap. So if you notice, whenever you type the class name, your header file, source file, and your form file, which is basically your interface file, they all change automatically. So just keep the defaults. They're set up perfectly already as long as you change the class name. So now go ahead and hit next, and looks pretty good. Finish. Alright, so we now have our project set up, find crap, looking pretty good, and a lot of stuff is already built in here into the header file, the source files, and also the interface file. So before we go ahead and hop into the coding, let's go ahead and set up the interface, the thing that the user is going to see. Now the reason that I don't want to do this through code is because what I like to do is actually set it up through here, and I'm going to tell you guys about a couple shortcuts that are going to save you guys a lot of time actually. So the first thing that we need to do is we'll add a label. So go ahead and grab label and drag it right here. And well, I'll add everything before I change any text. But now what we need to do is we need to add a line edit. Now, if you want to, it might be a little easier just to go up at the top and start writing line edit so it pops up automatically. Or if you want to search through all the widgets, that's fine too. So go ahead, and this is where we're going to be typing the word, and whenever the user is ready to submit their entry, they type through their word and they're ready to, pretty much hit go, they need a button. So if we clear this out, let me see if I can find it. Right here, a push button. Go ahead and drag that. So basically, we might as well change this text right now. So the labels text will be search for something like this, so they know that, this is what the program does, search for text. Let me line this up a little bit better. Search for, okay. Now for the push button, go ahead and double click this and hit go. So basically, the user is going to search for a certain word, like tuna, and whenever they hit go, it's going to search through the text right here.